Yo, what's going on, team? Hope you all guys had a great day. Today was fantastic. Let me show you what happened today. So, today we smashed gold again. Third time in a row, alright. 27 today. And yeah, this was sweet. Last week was 119,000, guys. Ooh-wee! Yeah, we smacked gold hard. And how we did it is easy, guys. It's very simple. Money management, guys. The key in trading is to have small losses, small wins, and big wins. That's the key. Very easy, alright? Alright, so what we did, let me show you. We're on the 50-minute chart intraday. New York session started. I was drawn up my support and my support levels, and after that I drew my Fibonacci. So I drew my Fibonacci from the bottom to the top of the move of the swing, from the intraday swing, and then I saw, yeah, okay, the 0.5 and the 0.618 is near the support level. So this is where I want to get in. This is my buy zone. This is where I want to scale in. So yeah, market pushed down. So I was scaling in with my first position. All right, testing waters. Target is around the recent high, and the low is around the 90%, 80-90% area. Okay. And then yeah, market dropped, I scaled in again. Market dropped again, I scaled in again. So yeah, then I had my like 3 or 4 entries, something like that. I've split my position in multiple entries, and then after that, then I was just waiting, see what prices do, and then I saw this upward structure. So I knew, okay, cool, market is pushing up, it's in the right direction, and then it's time to move the stop and into profit. All right, so yeah, this is what I did. And then the market smashed my target, and I was closing my positions manually around that area. And yeah, this is how I made like 27,000 today with let's say it was not a quick trade. I was checking the charts from 2 to 10, so like 8-hour day. I was checking the charts for like 7 hours or something like that on my phone while I was watching TV with my mama. It was a nice day. We had fun. So let's say if you would have split the position in like 3 trades, one trade with around 3 to 3.1 risk reward ratio, one trade with 2.5 risk reward ratio, one with 1.8 risk reward ratio, you would have an average risk reward ratio of around 2.5 or something like that. Yeah, 2.48 risk reward. So if you can manage to make like, let's say 50% rate with that with that risk reward ratio, you will be a rich man real soon. Or rich girl, depending on your gender. All right, and yeah, peace out. I hope this video was helpful. Smash the like button, leave a comment below, let me know if you banked on gold as well today, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, stay updated, and get the course, guys. Get the course, you deserve it. All right, peace out.